In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect PS3 controller to Android via Bluetooth. Now the first thing that you want to do is to simply open up the Bluetooth connection to your Android devices, and from there you then want to proceed by scanning devices around your area. Right after, head over to your PS3 controller. Basically with this one, this is going to be the PS button, and with this one, this is going to be our start button. And right above that, we then have the 1, 2, 3, 4 right here for different presets of our controller. You will see that above or over the Sony logo right here, right beside this specific part. And basically what you want to do is to hold click the PS button, meanwhile holding also the start button. You want to hold it for around 5 seconds to 10 seconds, and basically number 1 will start blinking. This means that the controller 1 is now ready to connect to Bluetooth. You can head over back to your phone, find the PS3 controller or the PlayStation controller, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.